Hello everyone, it's Elisa from Photobox Designs. I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial, show you how to use this template called Valentine's Day Simple Heart Cards. Basically, when you open up the template, it'll look like this, and you'll see that there are folders. It says bottom right, that is this card. This is size at, let's see, an 8.5 by 11. Basically a great size to just print if you want to print on your printer, regular page. So that way it could be easily done if you're just using this, let's say, for your own children's school and you want to put in some nice 8.5 by 11 uh, inch paper into your printer, your color printer, or you can always have it sent out to a professional printer. So here you have 6 cards, and there's room for 6 boxes, and all the font is already there. In the instructions that come with this template, there are links to download the fonts in case you want to change the words. The fonts are downloaded from the internet. I do not make them. I'm not technically selling them through this product. I'm just providing you the links to where I found the fonts, and they were free when I got them. And I can't guarantee that they'll always be free, but I wanted to provide them for you. And of course, you're happy. You can easily just change the font to something different as well. So you'll see it says bottom right, bottom middle, bottom left, top right, top middle, top left. So if you click on this whole folder, click the eyeball, bottom right, it just shuts off the entire card. But if you open the folder, you'll see inside the folder it says Happy Valentine's Day, Effects Color Overlay. This is your text. So if you click the eyeball, you'll see Happy Valentine's Day is now uh, on and off. And the effects gives you a color overlay. The overlay on top is pink. If you shut it off, it's red. Same thing you have here from, which is just in black. And then you have your heart frame with an effect. If you shut off the effect, this color overlay, you are red. So I instantly gave you the option to do red and pink, so you can change it up. You can have some red, some pink. You can do them all pink. You can do them all red. It's absolutely up to you. And I'm going to give you a little tip on something else that you can do. Color overlays are something. If you click on the color overlay, I will do the I'll turn the pink back on. Now I'm clicking on the effects here, double click on effects, and it opens up the layer style panel. And what I've already done for you is given you a color overlay of pink. So if I click into there, you'll see that it says pink. If I click the plus sign, I've now opened up another one underneath it, another color overlay, which will be exactly like the one on top. So I'm just going to shut off this one for now. I'm going to turn on this one. I'm clicking into it. This is the mode. So now I'm going to change the color. Let's say I want this one to be blue. That's a pretty purpley blue. Press new, okay. And now look what happened to my template. My template has now blue. Press okay, and you'll see my heart frame is now blue because I have added another color overlay. So I can say, I could turn the pink one back on, and now it's pink, turn it off, and it's blue. Turn it off completely, and it's red because that was the actual color it was made with. So that's how you can just keep changing your color overlays, and you can also um, do that for the rest of them. That's just a little quick tip on how to use color overlays so you can keep changing up the colors. It's very easy to add your photos. These black pieces are your clipping masks. So I'm going to press the letter V to access my move tool, which is right up here. I have here, it says show transformation tool controls clicked on. I'm going to click right on my black clipping mask. That highlights this layer that says clipping mask in the bottom right card. I'm going to press File, Place Embedded. I'm going to find myself a nice picture. Okay. Let's see. I wasn't prepared to do this. So I'm just going to use, I'm going to use this picture. This is just a little drawing I did. It just happens to be what I found. I pressed Place Embedded. I'm taking this little picture, I'm taking it, I'm putting it right over the top, okay? I'm going to want it maybe something like this, right over the top of the clipping mask. And then I'm going to right click on this thing. It says little girl, right click on it, scroll down till you see it says create clipping mask, create the clipping mask. And now I have clipped it in. And if I press Command T, I open my tools. I can my transformation tool, and I can sort of fit it any way I want. And now I have clipped this image, which of course you can use a regular photograph. That was just something that I had laying around on my computer. And that's how it works. It's really very simple. I just wanted to give a quick tutorial because there are a lot of folders and I didn't want you to get confused. I'm going to turn back the pink on the effect. And I would just for the sake of, I would close that one up and then I would go to the bottom middle and do it all over again. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Um, Thank you for shopping with us at Photobox Designs and see you soon. Bye.